Hello there, Drew Brenner, Senior Loan Officer and your mortgage advisor over here at Willow Bend Mortgage, coming to you today to talk to you about the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. Now, if you've been looking around online, you've probably seen these words used interchangeably, and I definitely want you to know the difference. Now, the main takeaway from this video today is going to be that you want a pre-approval and not a pre-qualification. So now let me explain the difference. So a pre-qualification is a much lighter version of a pre-approval. Basically, all it is we, the mortgage company, have gotten your information either by phone or online application, however, and have run it through the computer underwriting system, pulled credit, and the computer underwriting system has said that, yes, you're approved based on the information you gave us. So we've got an approval through the computer system, but it has no actual documentation to back it up. So someone could say, hey, I make $1 million a year, but then later on when we get documentation, we say, okay, they only make $50,000 a year. Okay, and so the pre-approval then is basically the pre-qualification with all that information we got, but then backed up by documentation. So things like your pay stubs, your W-2s, your tax returns, your bank statements, all of that kind of stuff. And so once we get all of that, we review it, make sure that everything checks out, and that's when we're able to issue an official pre-approval letter. So whenever you're dealing with mortgage companies, you want to make sure that you're actually getting that pre-approval rather than just a pre-qualification, because there's lots of times where after we've received documentation, things end up not being quite exactly as the information was given to us, and therefore it changes the approval. So you want the pre-approval because you want to make sure that you're definitely going to be good in underwriting, and there's nothing that's going to pop up and bite us later on and cause you to get denied during the loan process after you've already spent all this money on home inspections and everything else. So again, you definitely want to make sure you have a pre-approval, not a pre-qualification. So if you've got any questions about this or would like to get pre-approved, then give me a call. My number is 214-282-6387. All right, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next tip.